What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. CPI came in 3.4. Seeing a nice reaction for Bitcoin, starting to break that bullish level. We've been following this on the Discord. Just hit TP1 on ETH. Don't really advise taking trades on CPI days. Sometimes I don't take my own advice. Did really well on Gala as well. Smoking Forex too, US 30 as well as gold. My signals are free. You can gain access at the end of the video. So starting to push up with the news from the CPI, breaking this previous high, nice inverse head and shoulders. So we could see continuation back to the upside and start to push up in a wave 3. Of course, anything can happen. Price can just turn around and dump anytime it wants. However, with the break of that bullish level, we can definitely see continuation. We had a nice retest of this falling wedge, so we might see a nice push to the upside. Fib extension, top of 1, bottom of 2, wave 3 targets all the way up. 74K, 74.4K would be the target for the wave 3. That would be extremely juicy. If we roll over, it is what it is. Anything can happen, guys. Like, I'll give my analysis and then price will just dump and everyone's like, it's your fault. Okay. This is crypto, guys. So nice inverse head and shoulders, breaking the neckline on that news. Just be careful. News can cause a spike and then a dump. I've seen it before, but so far so good. Weekly chart, just retesting those highs. 20 EMA, caught back up, retesting support. Daily chart, as you can see, that we have that nice falling wedge, just starting to push out of it. Even have an inverse head and shoulders on the RSI. So we just started to break that resistance right there of this falling wedge. And hopefully we see that continuation to the upside. We'll have to see how that plays out. That's what I'm looking at. As long as you catch trades along the way, you're good to go. If you want completely free access to my trade signals for Forex as well as crypto, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. This is where I'm doing my trading. Make your first deposit. Can be $10, $100. Send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, Forex trades as well. Almost 3,000 members in the Discord. If you do not want to sign up to BITUNIX, sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.